This is Samsung Galaxy A06 smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone, or even if you have bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your smartphone feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on advanced feature and then click on motion and gestures. There you will see the option of double tap to turn on screen. Firstly enable this and also enable double tap to turn off screen. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, it will wake your screen up. You can increase the life of your battery. Simply open your settings and then click on battery. There you will see the option of battery protection. Enable this, then it will increase the lifespan of your battery and you will be able to use your phone little bit extra as well. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must enable these two features. Simply open your settings and then click on display. The first one is dark. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks and it will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is eye comfort shield. If you will enable this, then it will turn the color of your screen little bit warmer. So with the help of these two features, you can decrease the pressure on your eyes if you use your phone at night a lot. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third party for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications and then click on advanced settings. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. It will save all the notification which will come to your smartphone, and with the help of that you can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. from here. Anyone can read your WhatsApp messages or any notification even when your smartphone is locked. But to disable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications and then click on lock screen notifications. Then click on hide content. Now no one can read your messages from locked screen. If you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this notification center. But there is a simple gesture by which you can open your notification center. Simply scroll down on the empty area on the home screen like this. Then it will open your control center as well as your notification center. You can also change the UI colors of this smartphone. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on wallpaper and style. Click on color palette and then enable this color palette option. Here you have different color palettes, and if you want to change it to basic color, then select basic color and then select your favorite color. Click on apply, then it will take few seconds, and after that it will change the UI colors of your smartphone. As you can see here, it has changed from white to green. You can also dual any social media application like Instagram, Facebook, etc. and log in with two different accounts in the same application. Simply open your settings and then click on advanced features. There you will see the option of dual messenger. Click on this. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Right now I have only Facebook. Enable this and then click on install. Click on confirm and then enable this and then click on next. Then it will take few seconds and then it will create the dual of that application. As you can see, I have two Facebooks now. The first one is here and the second one is here. So with the help of this dual messenger feature, you can log in with two different accounts in a single application. You must enable this next security feature in your smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down and then click on more security settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and then enable this pin app feature. If you will double press your power button, then it will launch your camera application, but you can set your favorite application for this specific action. Simply open your settings and then click on advanced features, click on side button and then click on open app. Now select your favorite application. For example, I want to set my torch here. Now whenever I will double press my power button, then it will turn on my flashlight, and if I will double press it again, it will turn it off. You can also enable edge lighting effect for notification in this smartphone. By default, this feature is disabled in this smartphone. Simply open your settings and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification pop-up style. Click on this and then click on edge lighting style. Here select your favorite style. Here you have different options. You can also change the color of these notification style, and you can also change the transparency and duration as well. Select your favorite one and then click on done, and now whenever any notification will come in your smartphone, then this will show that specific notification style in your smartphone. If you want to set any ringtone from your gallery, then open your settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Click on ringtone and then click on this plus icon on the top. Then click on albums. then it will show all the mp3 files or any ringtone in the smartphone. Then select that one and then click on done. Then it will change your ringtone in the smartphone. If you want to change these 3-button navigation to gesture navigation, then open your settings and then click on display, scroll down and then click on navigation bar. Click on swipe gesture. Now it will change these 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. You can go back like this, you can jump to your home screen like this, and you can also open recent apps like this. If you like to use your phone with a single hand, then you must enable this feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on advanced features. There you will see the option of one-handed mode. Simply enable this. Now whenever you want to use your phone with a single hand, then to exit this one-handed mode, you can simply click on any of the empty area here. Then you will be able to exit this one-handed mode.